Craft your imagination.
Let's make a seed tray.
Here's what you'll need: a clear empty egg carton, scissors, potting soil, seeds, and water in a spray bottle. This project is so simple and fun. I start with a clear plastic egg carton. I cut off both sides of the top. I keep the bottom portion and set the other two sections aside. I use my scissors to poke one hole in each little egg compartment of this part. Be careful not to poke your fingers and ask a grown-up for help if you need it. I use the flat section as a drainage tray to collect any excess water underneath. I scoop out a little potting soil and fill each section with it. Fill it up, but don't let it overflow. That'll help keep any mess to a minimum. This year, I had leftover collard seeds, and since they can survive frost, I decide to use them as the star for this project. I drop a single seed in the center of each section of dirt. I sprinkle a little dirt on top. I spray it with water, making sure that every compartment gets wet. Then I put the other half of the carton on top as the lid. It's best to use plastic because it's clear and the sun shines through it. But a paper egg carton will work too. You can just use the part with the egg holes for the bottom and use an empty clear produce bottom for the top.